Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good
Hello,
morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
Hello, sir.
Good evening, sir.
We
Good
are going.
evening, sir.
Hi. So,
Good day. Good day.
yeah, hi, hi. So we will wait for another 2 minutes. Some more people are still joining, and then we will start.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, hi to all again, especially people who joined little late. So I think some of you know me and about our company already. So just wanted to check about that. Quickly, can you say yes or no so that I know how many people already know? If
Yes, sir.
majority knows already, then in that case, we will not spend much time about our company and about me. Okay. So if you can say yes or no, please.
no, sir.
Can you please
No, sir.
can you please just speak no or yes in the group so that I know about it. So we should know we'll spend only what is more beneficial for you. Okay, so I see many people do not know, except few. Okay, okay. All right. So I will give a quick brief, though details are available in our YouTube channels already, especially for February and January sessions. Okay. So quick intro about me. I'm the owner of the company called Gorai Technology Solution. We are a startup company, and we are into 3 to 4 different verticals. The first vertical is we are developing or we have developed in a product, and we are onboarding customers and vendors to that product. So that is called a service platform. The second one is we do application development. So that involves uh, mobile app, browser based applications, data analytical works, and all end to end architecture and design for any enterprise application. That involves a big application to small applications. The third one is our internship or training program, where we give free internship to people who are self capable of learning and doing the stuff by themselves with minimal guidances. So for them, we provide free training and internship, and people who needs very hands-on or very close mentorship and guidances. So for that, we give training, and that training is chargeable. So now the people whom we train or we give internship, right? So several of them get job by themselves, and many get job through our help. So when I say our help, so that is where our fourth vertical comes, where we are collaborating with many companies. And since we are a startup, already we have few companies which we have collaborated, and people who are trained well through our internship and training program, we try to place them in those companies directly or through the our payroll basically. So they join as a part of our company, and then they are placed in the client place for the work. So that is about me and the company. So I heard there were some concerns about the people who were on Jan or February sessions, especially people who had submitted their case studies, but due to huge number of case studies, we could not review all, right? So along with that, if you anybody has any questions or concerns, so I will hold for a few seconds. So feel free to tell that so that I have an opportunity to clarify your doubts. And once that is done, then I will cover another 2 points. So I will tell about the our internship programs, and then the job interview, right? The people who are already experienced, people who have enough skills already, they are eligible for job. They will go through the case study review and the technical interview, and they can directly apply for the job. And that is applicable, that is allowed for people starting from 1 year experience to even 15 to 20 years of experience. And we have positions for all senior levels also, starting from the freshers. So I'm holding for a couple of seconds. If you have a question, please raise your hand or put it in the chat box. If many questions are there, in that case, I will follow the chat box. If only few people are there, then you can directly come on board and you can speak out. So I'll hold for a few seconds. Please let me know if you have any question or doubt. So I see one first question. Will we get certificate at the end of this internship? Very much. So not only at the end of the internship, but also in the starting, you will get an offer letter, and that offer letter is an equivalent as a job offer letter, which you can put into your profile that you are working as a trainee software engineer. So we give you a common designation, trainee software engineer, whether you are a Java developer or DevOps or QA, does not matter. So, and we train you end to end on as a software engineer. So you will be specialized on your role or profile, while you will be learning all different other aspects what a software engineer should know when someone is working in a company. So yes, you will get an offer letter, and also after completing the training, you will get the certificate of your work experience. Then duration of the internship, right? So duration is 6 months. So and time is around 8 hours for the people who are available and free to learn throughout the day. For them it is 8 hours. And if you are from you are doing your final year in your college, then at least 3 to 4 hours you have to maintain. So minimum 4 hours, at least in the morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours, 4 hours you have to maintain for doing this internship if you are in a college student. Is it clear? Then duration and when will the actual internship start? Actual internship will start, actually it is starting right away. So it will be considered from now itself, whoever will be doing. And officially will be evaluating whether you are eligible for it or not. So this next couple of days there will be evaluation period. We will be giving some assignments, and there will be some discussions and all. So if you are committed or not, whether you are punctual or not. So there will be multiple criteria to evaluate you, and based on that, your internship or training will be confirmed, or even in that case, job. People who are applying for the job. The next question is, I have 6 months of experience on Java, Spring Boot, and Sublet. So if you have already experience, then you can directly apply for the job. So then case study should be completed by only those applying for job or by everyone. So for job it is mandatory, and for internship last Jan and Feb it was mandatory, but not now. I will tell you what is the new strategy we are following, because to be frank, we are not getting enough time to review the case study for all so many more than 100 people. So in that case, what is happening is many talented candidates are getting rejected. So I understand your concern. So we are trying to simplify the process further, so that if due to lack of time from our side, you should not be rejected. So I'll tell you that process after this discussion. So when you will get the offer letter is within 1 to max 2 weeks of time. So as soon as your evaluation is done and you are selected for any of the positions, you will get the offer letter. Then next question is, I didn't present my case study in the February batch. I am supposed to be here. So if you have done the last case study, then you don't have to do it again. So prepare well on your existing case study. Who are already working person, yeah, people who are already working person, you can apply for the promotion or better job offer, right? So whatever may be the package, we are at least minimum 25% hike we are giving, and of course a better position. So you can also apply. Internship is paid or not, so for you don't have to pay anything for the internship. Rather, if you are able to perform well and you are able to do client work or any of our product work, then we will pay you. So as long as it is just only a training where you don't know basically, and we are only guiding you and you are learning and learning, so there is no way that you can get a salary or any stipend, right? Because you are just learning and you are not contributing for any client project or of our product. The moment you start contributing, then you will get paid. Can fresher apply for a Java developer? Very much. Everybody, even people who belong to other non-IT background, they can also apply for it. And for them also different job positions are there in IT companies. But you have to get trained on those. I haven't worked. I know Spring Boot collection, multi-threading, and all. Can you help me with a job? Definitely. So if we will be evaluating your skills, whatever you have, and we will be, if there is any gap, we will let you know to improve those gap, and we will help you to fill that up, and then you can apply for the job. Actually, previously I am working with Infosys. After I switched to technology, have completed AWS DevOps training. At present, I am searching for job. Yeah, so you can directly apply for the job, and your evaluation will happen. And based on your skills and experience, we can try to fit you to the proper client requirement. So I am 1 year. How to cope up with the time table, and I'm in the first year. Okay, so people who are in the first year, probably it is too early for doing the internship, but still we are ready to help you for internships. You can do, but minimum 4 hours you have to manage. See, internship for the students, let me tell you, internships will be giving you, add value to your career 100 times more than what you are learning in your college. Okay, that is for sure. Not once, tens or 20 times, but 100 times more, because you will be just learning as a real-time software engineer, and definitely 5% also you don't learn that in the college. So it is a wonderful opportunity if you are able to avail it. Next question is, how can I apply? Okay, so if you are on this group, means you have already applied. Okay, so every instructions will be given in this group. So you just keep following those instructions. You are done. So there is no big process. There is no big steps to join this or apply this. I am a fresher, first year. How do I? So I answered that, and then can you repeat whether the internship is paid or not? See, internship, I'll tell you, it is paid or not, it is little ambiguous. When you say paid, uh, will you pay as an intern or company will pay to you, right? So when it is paid, you say this ambiguous. So let me clarify that. If you are doing an internship where you are only learning, okay, to build your experience, and you are not working in any of our client project where we get revenues or we get money, right? Or you are not working in any of our product requirement where we again generate revenues, right? In that case, you will not get any salary or stipend, or you don't have, you will not be paid. We will not pay you. Okay, let me tell you in all different ways. But if you are working in a client project because you are capable, you are skilled enough, you are working in any of our product requirement, again, you are skilled enough, you are able to do it, then we will pay you. Does it clarify regarding the paid internship? It was asked by Mr. Kurra. Anusha, is it clear, Anusha? Can you type it, please? Okay. So then when will be the interview for the job? So interview for the job will be, it is, the session is done today. Means from tomorrow onwards, we will be picking the people first in first serve basis who are there uh, in the Excel sheet, right? So in the Excel sheet, whoever are there, based on your availability and our availability, HR will make an appointment with you, and then we will have that discussion. Next question is, if we are selected for internship, who will be the guiding us, and who will be our point of contact? So it could be anybody, any one of our trainers, or it could be myself also. So myself, handling at least 3 to 4 different teams already, and if I am lucky or you are lucky, then we will be together in that team. Okay, and then may I know, is there any fee for training? So I answered this 2 times already in this session. I hope it is clear. If it is still not clear, I will not repeat it. Please, see the recording after this, after I upload it in the YouTube. Okay, then how many employees are currently being employed with GTS? So we have below 20 people at this moment officially, okay, and many people are working as a freelancer. And the number of freelancers is above 60. Right now, it is between 60 to 80 people. Who is the what is the success rate of getting job after completing internship or training? It is 100%. Okay, so people who ever have completed training, 100% they have got job. Would you please share details on salary structure and compensation and other benefits of the people getting job? What about taxes? So these all will be the company standard. Back. So the question is, showing the salary details. So I'm sorry that salary details, not only me, you are not supposed to show salary details of people. That is a private information. Okay, so you should not be showing salary details to anybody. But you can be assured that you can get salary 25% high on your current salary minimum. If you are not getting 25%, then maybe you are not eligible for that position at that moment. And benefits and all that all depends based on the different clients and companies. Taxes will be as per the government rules. Which time zones jobs are available? So time zones would be flexible. So if you are getting a job for the Indian clients, then it will be morning 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And if you are getting job for the external clients, or if you are in the other country, we are having a collaboration with the client of other countries also. So in that company, if you country, if you are getting a job, then it will be based on your time zone. Is there any long-term opportunities available from GTS? Definitely. So we are a startup, but we are growing very fast. That is why we are spending so much time on people selection. So all these drives of selecting people, whatever we are doing, we are spending enough amount of effort and time. So it is just because we have a huge amount of requirement and very long-term goal. Any candidates completing successfully internship are placed at GTS or helped in getting jobs in another companies, both. So whenever we have positions in our company, you get job in our company, and if no, then definitely we place you in other companies. Please don't forget about me for the job. Yeah, definitely, Mr. Arman. So you will be part of it, go through the process. You are not audible. So I hope I'm audible now for everybody. Sir, your voice is breaking. Yeah, sorry, it was network issue was there that time. Freshers with salary, we can expect, yeah, very much. So Nisa, see, salary comes only when you are capable of doing an work. If you have enough skills, not only freshers who has completed the graduation, but even if you are in a final year of graduation and if you have enough skills and you are able to do some part-time work, you will get a stipend for that. So what can be the salary for M1 engineer for freshers? So there is nothing. So M1 could be different for different companies, but I can tell you, freshers who has done our internship, they have started minimum 3 lakhs to around 5 lakhs of salary. So in DevOps, guy have got 5 lakhs of salary starting point. And the companies, I will be proud to say, company like Amazon also, people have got job, and that too not only in India but also in Paris, in US, in other countries as well. Okay, and machine learning, yes, Satya, we are doing, our platform itself is in having AI platform. So we have a very huge data analytical platform. So you can be a part of that. Candidates can continue internship until he or she is placed in a job, right? Very much. So if you are doing the internship for, let's say, it is a minimum kind of a 6 month, but let's say you are not able to get a job, you will constantly get assistance from us. But only point is you have to be very much committed. If you say you are irregular, you are not completing the assignments, you are not learning, and you want to continue it for long many months, and you are not putting enough effort, then in that case we will be sorry to say that you won't be able to continue the internship basically in that case. But if you are doing honestly, if you show your effort, not only 6 months, you can do for 1 year also. Let's say market situation is very bad and you are not getting job for certain reasons, or let's say you are starting from a zero level. People who are starting from a zero level, or people who are coming from the other background or other field, for them 6 months may not be sufficient, because in the competitive market, people who are doing computer engineering, people who are taking training, and they have spent so many years already on IT, they will be getting the job faster than people who are coming from the other background or other field, right? But still it may take few months more for you, but you can make it, and as long as you are putting enough effort on it. Is it a remote job or on site? So both are possible. If you are employed in GTS, it will be remote for now, and we are building a very big office for GTS. So I hope it would be completed in nearly in next 1 or 2 years, maybe max 2 years, minimum 1 year. So in that case, we will start the office in our own building. And did I miss any question? Can you just continue? Okay. Is it a remote or job? Okay. So I think all questions are answered. Any other question, guys, which we did not discuss yet? How many employees are currently employed at GTS? Already answered. Previous early you answered was not audible due to network issue. Okay, let me repeat again. So we have less than 20 employees at present. Okay, but there are many freelancers, and that number is between 60 to 80 at this moment. Okay, and there are very big reasons behind that. Because of government and rules and all, we could not make many people a direct employee to increase it more than 20. but we for that we need a very good other infrastructures and setup and many other policies to be set up. Since we are a startup and we are struggling, we are doing so many areas, so to stabilize it like a branded big companies, it will take some time. I hope that helps you to understand about our company. uh, The next question was, how many working place do you have for Java developers? So we have many Java developer positions. It is you can say more than 50 to 60 also, because we are constantly getting more project requirement from the other clients. So as long as you are good, you can expect a job as fast as possible. When will be the internship period? It will start soon. Do you need to log in into GTS system remotely or do the local system? Yeah, you have to do it in your local system, but people, you might be getting access to our GitHub repository, then AWS account, Jira system, and all as and when it is required. So gradually, when you are integrated into our system, you become reliable and trustable. Then you will get access to our systems on all different tools. Has it answered all questions, guys? Shall I move to the next topic? What I have?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So regarding the internship, right? Who are eligible for internship? I'll come to that. But people who are eligible for job is directly through the case study review and your technical interview, followed by HR interview, right? So people who have applied for a job and you have mentioned it in the Google sheet, right? Those people will get a call and you will get a case study, which will be common for others also. But expectation for a job seeker will be much more than the internship people who are applying for the internship. Okay, so that is about the job seekers. So any question for the job seekers?
Sir, I have applied for the internship. If I want to do the job,
Yeah,
will I
all
have to
people
do
who
the?
are applying for the internship, they can first try out for the job position also. So in that case, you can mention in the Excel sheet as a job, and if in case you are not qualifying for the job, then you can definitely appear for the internship. So you have to fulfill the other criteria for the internship in that case. So update the Excel sheet accordingly. You can mention job, first job, and then internship. So in that case, you will be evaluated accordingly.
Thank you,
Is it
sir.
clear, Karan?
Thank you, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Any other questions for the job seekers? Okay, no. So then in that case, let me move on for the internships, and let me share my screen now. And so let me tell you what are the this is the new approach we have come up, and since we are a startup, we will every month we will try to innovate and we will try to come up with new approaches which will benefit maximum number of people. Okay, so training and internship opportunities at our company Gorai Technology Solutions, empowering future innovators. Okay, training and internship tiers. So we're calling it as 3 tiers. Okay, so there are 3 categories based on the academic performance. Okay, so let's say you are a fresher coming out from the college, and if you have 70% and above marks, then you will get direct access to our project. So you'll be directly getting offer letter as an intern. Okay, clear with this option? So we are not going to evaluate through your case studies. You don't need to be a part of case study review. If you say that you have 75% marks in your graduation, 10 plus 2 and graduation, but right now we have said all the 3 places you need to have 75%, but we can discuss and we can negotiate a little bit on that based on the counseling with the candidate. You guys are able to see my screen, right? Can I see some yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You guys are able to see. Okay, cool. Okay, so that is about the people. First category. Second category is 60% to 75% free training provided. So we, as per our experience in the last 2 months, what we have seen is people in this category actually they are not capable of working on the project directly, because working in the project requires a prerequisites knowledge. So that prerequisite knowledge comes up through thorough training only. So let's say if you someone does not know Java, they do not know to write program in Java itself. So there is no way that he can directly put into project. So for those people, we will provide free training, and if you are able to perform well in the free training, then you will directly get you will become eligible for the internship. So these two categories are free, and if you have below 60% marks, and and also you are not self capable, in that case you have to pay fees. Now let me clarify this part. Let's say you have 50% below 60% marks, 59% marks, but you have done a very good practice. You have done a training already. You might have done already some internship, or you have learned in YouTube, or Chat GPT or Bard, or your self project you have done, college project you have done, and you are skilled enough, right? If you are skilled enough, you are not only eligible for that internship, but also you are eligible for the job. Is this point clear, guys? Can I see one yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Quickly, couple of yes or no in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay. So this is done. So that same categories are explained here, which I told you. Okay, but I know, but how do we evaluate, right? 75% marks you have. So we are assuming that people who have 75% above marks, you are proactive, crazy on coding. Okay, so that is the assumption we are making, and I am making an assumption. We are making an assumption that you have done some project also. So normally people who are super proactive and expert, they don't keep quiet. They just go ahead, do some project here and there, and keep learning. So this is the expectation for the first category. Second category of the people, like we will be giving you training on or any one of these job roles. So first category, people already actually very clear in their mind what they want to do. So that is why they would have done some project already. Okay. Second category, they are good, they learning here and there, but due to a lack of guidances, they don't know which route to go. Okay. So that category of people, we are going to have a counseling with you and check which profile would be most suitable for you, and we'll try to train you on that particular profile. Okay, so that is also free, and 60% above marks, and also below 60%, but if you have certain backgrounds on all those things, you may be eligible as well. People below 60%, and there's a mistake, this one is will be below 60%. So if you have certain uh, uh, if you want a real guidance from us, okay, like other institutes you are joining, many people are joining many institutes, so you can also join us, and you can take a proper training and guidances, and then you can go for it. So this fees structure, what is there? Okay, so this is the fees structure we are taking. If 10,000 rupees per month, it will be in that case 30,000 for 3 months if you are doing, and if you are paying in a single time, it will be 50K. If you are paying per month, then it will be 10K wise, that will be 60K. Okay, so this is the fees structure for the people who are going for training. Any question on this?
Sir, then what about me, fresher? So I'm fresher and I'm first year.
Okay.
So how, in which category will I fall?
You will have a quick discussion with your current qualifications and your skills and your aspirations, and it will be free for you. You don't have to pay anything.
Okay, sir.
So, what is the duration of this internship for above 75%?
Be 6 months training, and above 75% people who have, like
6 months?
yeah, it is 6 months. But let's say you are able to get job within 3 months, right? And that 3 months duration you are very regular with us, okay, still you will be eligible for the certificate. So you will get an offer letter, and also you'll get a certificate. Even let's say within 1 month, you were very regular in 1 month and you got a job. In that time also, you will be able to produce our offer letter and certificate in that case. So we will not restrict you that
And
you
from
have to
where we
be
will get
for
the job,
six
sir?
months with us. Yeah, please come.
You will provide us the job, sir?
Yeah, job positions will be there in both. Like in our
You will
company,
provide the job.
sorry, come again.
You will provide us a job, sir, after that 1 month duration.
No. 1 month durations when you are getting a job externally by with your own try. So let's say
Okay.
while you are doing this internship, you would be trying outside also. Let's say we are not restricting you. You can try outside and you got a job. And with that 1 month, you were very
Mm.
regular with us. So in that case, we will give you the certificate, and you can produce or show that to the company. Okay. Now let's say from our side, when we will try to place you in a job, at least minimum 3 months we check and evaluate you, that yeah, you know all things, because within 1 month also it is difficult to evaluate all skills, and you will be trained in all different skills, not only particular one skill. So once minimum 3 months, we'll give you a training, and we see that you are capable in all different things. Then 3 months onwards, we'll try to place you in different companies.
So, what is the minimum salary of the job?
I answered this already, but it will be based on your performance. People who have completed successfully, minimum 3 lakhs to max 5 lakhs they have got from our after this internship.
Annual package?
Sorry,
Is that annual CTC?
that is annual CPC. Annually 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. That is our current experience. You may get more also, you may get less also. Based
Sir,
on
then along with this, I am parallelly doing other two internships which is regarded to AWS and machine learning. While in selection round, can I even tell about it for getting selected as
Yes.
an internship?
Yes.
Since I'm first year now, I don't have any other experience except those two as a primary one.
Uh-huh. Yes,
Yeah,
definitely. You can showcase that experience as well.
sure.
See, our goal is to help you out. If you are doing some internship in other places, we will welcome that. We don't, we are not, against it. See, the purpose is you should be skilled and you should get some benefit from us.
Sir, yes, sir. So that's the point, because I think in this meeting, everyone are third year, fourth year, or passed out. So I am the only one who is first year.
No.
It is not that.
There are other people. See, in this WhatsApp group, there are more than 100 people, and many are not able to join because they are in different countries and all. And many are there who are just a student, final year or first, second, third, like that.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah. So you might be a part of a team where people are from other countries.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Shall I move, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The certification.
We have to apply anywhere for the interview for a job, or you will send us a link for an interview for a job.
You will get the communication. So keep following up our message in this group. So we will
Okay, you will put it in WhatsApp chat, correct?
Yeah, it will be in the WhatsApp chat, or you will get a personal message in your WhatsApp. So we are using WhatsApp as the primary contact communication at this point.
So you are the admin of that chat, right?
Yeah, definitely I am the admin, but we have other admins also. So this is a common number in the company where messages I may not be typing every time. I have my
So
PA and other.
we can text you directly, right?
Sorry?
We can text you directly. to know how to do
you
it?
can directly text to my number. So that is a common number which is handled by other my team also. So we have some tool
Okay,
where
I got you.
multiple people can see the same message and all they can respond. So it is
I
integrated
got you.
with a chatbot kind of thing.
Mm, mm. Okay, thank you.
So all participants, regardless of category, will receive internship certificate. Okay. So even if you are doing the training, your certificate will be a lot valuable, and you can show this certificate when you are applying for the job. And the certificate is from a reputed software company, so you will get a very good weightage for it, and it is being worldwide well known for our company certificate in many top 10 colleges in European and American countries. People are doing this internship, and that is being recognized, and we do a very official demo of the project which they do, and we have interaction with the admin department or the education department, where they accept our certificate and the project which we give to the people. Then application process. So registration to this to our website, it is not mandatory because now we simplified through WhatsApp, but still you can register it so that your record is with us, and in future also you might get call accordingly. And how you will log in to the system, and you can do basically self assessment part will be very important. You can uh, add your skills so that we know you are interested on job on which skills. And when we have more requirements, we go to this our application, and we see search for those skill sets. Like someone is very good in Java and you have given a rating of 8 or 6 or 7, so based on that rating we shortlist, and you might get an interview call. So try to do this, though it is not mandatory, but it will be good for you in future. And this is our address and website. Okay. So yeah, that is about our internship. Any question, guys? Are you all good? I'll hold for a few seconds. If you have anything, please let me know, or else I'll move to the next topic.
Which period in a day when will the internship will start?
Yeah, so it is since it is driven from India, so it will be morning 9 a.m. IST to 6 p.m. IST. But we get connected early morning and the evening also. So time is flexible as long as you are able to show an effort of 8 hours in a day. That would be good enough. Sometimes you might be busy. Some people are working also, right? So if you are already working and you are not able to make the meetings on time, but whatever assignments are given, whatever the activities are happening, you have all the recordings available in YouTube, so you can watch the recordings, and you can perform your activities and get them reviewed. Then you are done. In that way also you can do this. Especially
So what is the duration of the internship?
6 months. So 6 months is an average time. People might get job before or after that also. So there is no fixed time, but in average it is 6 months. Minimum 3 months.
Is it depends on us, like 3 months or 6 months? Do we have to choose ourselves, or you have?
You don't have to choose actually, because when you go through this exercises, you will come to know that you need 3 months or 6 months. I'll give you one example. Let's say to get a job in as a software engineer, you have to build 20 skills, or you can think like you have to complete 20 chapters of a book. Okay. If you are very fast and you are able to complete 20 chapters in 2 months, then you are done. You have completed it and you are eligible for job. But if your speed is slow, you are not able to understand, and you are taking time to do your exercises, it will take you after 2 months or 3 months, you have, let's say, completed 10 chapters or 10 skills, right? So then automatically it will take another 3 months for you. So it is very flexible. You don't have to be strict to 3 months or 6 months. As much effort you can put. Let's say you are putting 2 hours effort, another person is putting 8 hours or 10 hours, because he is absolutely free and he is only learning for job. He is not doing any other activities, so he can finish the course before 5 times of ahead of your time. And we are not restricting anybody. If you are able to finish it, you are able to get a job, because our final target is to get you a job. Is it clear?
Internship means training, or like we will do any projects.
In internship, you will do only projects, no training. If you are eligible for internship, means you will do only projects. Training means you are not eligible for internship. And what is the quality required for an intern is you are able to learn yourself and do the project assignment by yourself.
Then we will get paid, right? Stipend.
No, the project is, it is a sample project. It is not a project for a company. So I explained this again. It is, I think, third time. You joined late. Is that correct? Or
Yes, yes.
I already explained 2 times, but if people are not getting bored, I can explain one more time. Can I see some? Shall I explain it again or no? Can I see some yes or no? Shall I explain whether it will be paid or not, and who are eligible for salary or a stipend? Can I see yes or no? I see 3 yes. So nobody said no. So I will let me explain it again. See, internship, you are eligible when you are able to do the activities yourself. Okay. Now what happens is, even if you are able to do the activities, but that real time experience is required. Okay, and that experience certificate is also required. Okay. Now, if we have a client project and we see that you are capable of doing a client project, or you are capable of doing any product features of our company, in that case we will pay you salary or a stipend. But if we see you are still not capable of doing a client project, or you are not capable of doing our product features, in that case we will not pay you salary. You will be working in our sample projects, which is equivalent to the real time projects, and most of those projects are already done basically. So first we will be giving you the existing projects to explore yourself and learn how a project work, how you develop a project. Once you do those existing projects, explore, then we will give you some assignments where you will do the projects, and those projects are also done by us. It is that only we will give you the requirement to check you are able to do it or not, so that you get a real time experience. But they are not real time project, because real time project will have a timeline, you will have a quality check, and you have to be very much uh, specific and doing all the required thing for that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And people who will think that, oh, GTS is making us work free of cost, and you are spending your time free of cost. I mean, if you realize, then probably either we are doing a fraud, or either you are not understanding any one of them. But believe me, that is not the case. So we will give you the existing projects which are already completed for you to ready-made code and project for you to explore. So definitely, if you are exploring an existing project, you cannot expect a salary for that, right? Because you are not doing any work for a company, or where we are generating revenue. Second is, if we are giving a requirement and project for your learning purpose, and we are not telling you that you have to complete within this time or that time, it is only for your learning, so that you check, verify your skills and capability, whether you are able to develop a product or not, right? So in that case also, you are not generating any revenue. Rather, we are spending our time on you. So at least we are trying to spend 1 hour daily on you to guide you. So it is our investment on you, for which we should be getting paid off. But we are, that is the service we are giving to you.
Sir, if we receive the job offer, it's up to us, right? Like whether we have to deny it or accept it. It's not like we have to take it for sure, accept it.
Definitely. I
Job
mean,
offer.
any job offer, that is your choice.
Okay, sir.
There is no agreement. There is no restrictions on such things. So everything is open. Whatever you feel right, you can do that. There is no agreements. Clear? So I will not extend it further. And if you guys are all done, then I'm also done for today. So we'll continue this session. I will come up with more topics tomorrow, but you all have to show your interest, your commitment, and your proactiveness towards whether it is a job or internship or training. So if you are showing it, that is what I will be evaluating in next couple of days, and whoever will be eligible for any of these categories, you will be into that.
Sir, every day we have to join the meeting, right?
Yes. So next couple of days, 8 to 9, we are going to meet, and through that only I'm going to evaluate, or our team will be evaluating who is eligible for which category. Once this session is done, then you will be put into different teams for your own, based on your selection or eligibility. And that time it will be from morning and 9 a.m. There is a meeting happening at 10 a.m. or 12 p.m., 3 p.m. like that. So you will be part of any of those teams. So there are already existing teams which are running. So you will be put into those existing teams. Or maybe we can create a new team also based on the need. But those all
Is
will
the
happen.
timings?
Those all will happen between morning 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Sir, if you're not able to
Is
attend the
the
meeting at 10 a.m., what is the
As I
how?
mentioned, if you are not able to attend the meetings, you need to watch the recordings, and whatever exercises or activities will be given, you need to perform, and you have to communicate offline with the trainer, and you have to or your lead, and you have to make sure you are doing them on daily basis.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Are you all good? Good, guys. Feel free. I mean, many people are clear. They have left for other meetings and all. But if you have any question, please let me know.
We are
Okay.
clear, sir.
Yeah. All right. So thank you, and see you all soon. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.